This piece is clipped on. And when you take this piece off, it gives you access to the ribbon cable. To the ribbon cable right here. And when you flex this, as you can see, it affects the screen rotation. So this cable has to be repaired. It's loose and the connection could be damaged, but if you want to get the screen to turn on, and if the screen is upside down when it should be right side up, based on the LCD being turned the other way, the screen moves in two directions. So as you flick this, it starts to move because this has to be repaired, and that's how you can fix it. And also it likely has something to do with the touch screen function as well, which is not working.